After a while though, he started looking cute. Teasing me in nice locations, photo-esque. Came up the shore just begging and bobbing along. After so long, I did start to feel a little bad. So I drug him out of the water. Think I was gonna pick him up and carry him? No, he's just gonna get straight drug out. With his attitude like that, at least he's not sitting in the water. We ended up finding a perfect location. Set up our little blanket. Gotta make it smooth and nice. He's gonna join us, most definitely. We laid out our food and supplies and made some sandwiches. So here we are, our picnic. With the duck, got my sandwich. Duck has his bread. Got all our